Greetings, laser fans. I thought I'd share a little hack or trick that I use that's been very helpful for me. Maybe it'll work for you, but it has to do with making sure the laser's at the right height off your media. So if you're like me, you put in your media and then you're going to use something like this to calibrate, and we'll do that now. So mine happens to be best at 18 millimeters. There's plenty out there, videos out there to show you what to do, how to do that. So have to crank up, and let's get that just right. So right there she is. So that's where I need it. Now that's good enough, but the problem is doing this, you might mess up the alignment of your material. You're also applying pressure to this head, and that could knock it out of calibration, especially doing this over time and time. And if you over crank, you're definitely putting stress on that. Plus, it's a little time consuming. So what I did is, first step is you do it just like we did. Make sure that you're right where you want to be. Then what I did was I sketched a line right across here. Anywhere is fine. Just make sure that it's a straight line. It's a level line. And then what I'm going to mark off is the very top of that, and not the center of the wide line, but the top of the line. And then I made this, which is real simple. It's just a circle cut in the wood with another little circle to put the dowel in there, and I glued it into place. And I made it tall, and the reason I did that is so that you can't accidentally leave it in there. The machine won't close. So that's a safety feature. I'll make one of these out of metal so it'll last longer, but actually this one's done good. So the next step, after you get everything set up the way I told you, you put this up here, and then you draw a like line on your dowel stick. Okay, now next time you have to calibrate, you just get down here and sight line that thing, put the bottom of this line to the top of the silver line, and you're good to go. Let's double check to see how close we got. Yep, there it is. So anyways, I hope that tip is helpful. Thank you.